Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing a small haul from Sephora. I love watching hauls in general, but definitely wanting to see what people are purchasing from Sephora and Ulta and wherever you can buy makeup is super exciting to me. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video as well. These are a few items that I picked up and got from Sephora. So if you like Sephora hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll greatly appreciate it. We definitely want to add you to the fam bam. And without this intro being extremely long, without further ado, if you want to see what I picked up from Sephora, then keep on watching. Alright, no particular order. Just going to be pulling out the bag. So the first one I pull out is this Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. You guys know I did a review on this foundation, and I have it in the shade Golden Tan. I believe I went with the shade that was after Golden Tan, if I can remember. But I'll have that video linked in the description box below, so definitely check that out to get my thorough review. But it's in a nice, luxurious bottle, frosted glass. It comes with the pump, and this is definitely a full coverage foundation. But if you want more details, definitely click that video in the description box below. I have a few foundations in here, actually. So the next foundation that I wanted to try, I can't believe I haven't tried this foundation just yet. It's been on the market for some time. But this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I have it in the shade Cafe. Let me see. I feel like it matched fine because I want it to go a bit warmer. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what it looks like. It's a little tan. I picked out the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer in the shade Honey. So this is the concealer. I don't know, I'm gonna have to work with this. And then this is the foundation. So I feel like it could work. This is the concealer and this is the foundation, but we shall see. If you guys want me to do a review on those two products, definitely signify by a thumbs up this video. So the next foundation that I have is the Josie Marian Vibrancy Argan Oil Foundation, and I have it in the shade Fearless RG65. I'm assuming it's a red gold 65, I'm assuming, but it does have a pump. You guys know I love the Josie Maran Vibrancy concealer. That stuff is so bomb, you guys. It has argan oil in it, so it's going to condition under the eyes. So I'm assuming that this foundation will do the same thing, give you the hydration that your skin needs. Let me see. It's definitely light, like it's not a heavy liquid that just poured out, but this is it right here. Don't mind my arms. My arms are a little light because I am a bit ashy right now. But that is the Josie Maran foundation. So yeah, I'm excited to try that along with the concealer that I already have. I also picked out this Becca Brush. I forgot what it's called. But it's one of those brushes where you will do most of your like contour. I know I don't have a big brush like this. I know Becca came out with one as well as NARS, but NARS is maybe like half of this, but same concept to be able to bronze and contour wherever you want to be dimensioned into the area of your face. So I picked out this. It's super soft, so soft. So I'm excited to see how this will work with my bronzer. Speaking of bronzer, Benefit has come out with 2 additional shades in their bronzers. You guys know the original one that's like universal. They then came out with a medium one, which is caramel, and a deeper one, which is like toasted or something like that. This is what this looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Gorgeous! I cannot wait to bronze my face with this. This just possibly may replace my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but we'll see. I will be testing out some of these products in another video, so be on the lookout for that because I'm super excited about these products. Next thing I'm pulling out the bag are 2 Milk Makeup lip colors. This one's in the shade Low Key, and I wore this one before. I wore this one already. It was like the prettiest like purple. You guys see that? Prettiest like cool tone type of purple. It was gorgeous. I wore it with a look. I'll have to figure out if I recorded it or not. I probably did not. And then the next shade I have is Name Drop. Did I say the first one? Yeah, Low Key. And this one is Name Drop. It's like this pretty, I'll swatch it here, like orangey red. Gorgeous. And that low-key one was pretty matte when I wore it, so these are pretty matte. I will say this. In the bag, I picked up a travel size Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. I've heard some great things about this. You guys know I love the Too Faced Hangover primer, but I haven't tried this just yet. And if I do enjoy this size, then I will get the full size. As you guys know, my holy grail is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but I am open to trying new hydrating. I'm all about hydration this year. Like, I feel like my skin is just changing. This weather has been bipolar, so I'm all about hydrating products that's going to keep and lock in my hydration and moisture after using my skincare products and makeup products and things like that. So I'm excited to see how this is going to act on my skin, and if, like I said, if I like it, I will be getting a full size of that. So something new that I wanted to try is another primer. Henriksen came out with a new Banana Bright face primer. It says it has vitamin C and banana powder inspired pigments, and let's see, can be worn alone, under makeup, or dabbed on top of makeup as a highlight for external use only. So it looks like this. And let's see what this feels like. I know a lot of people love the Under Eye Banana Bright Under Eye Cream. Oh, it smells really good. It smells good. Like citrusy, orange. It smells really good. Ooh, it's really hydrating. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. It's giving like natural radiant, which I love. You guys know I love a radiant look. Oh, it smells really good. So again, this is the Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I cannot wait to try this. And I also got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I don't own many waterproof mascaras, and I don't know if there are a lot out there, to be honest, as far as like sold in Sephora. I know Lancome has one, Too Faced has one, and I think Dior has a few. But I wanted to try this because the packaging has like this water, like 3D all over it. And I used to, like, this used to be my holy grail mascara, the original Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But eventually it starts clumping and having flakes on my face by the end of the day. So I ended up loving my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. But I want to try a waterproof one, especially on Sundays, you know. Going to church, honey, them tears be falling. I'm like, my makeup is ruined. I also have another mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs, let's see, Noir, Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. It is the black one, and it looks like this. I don't own any Marc Jacobs mascara, so I was super intrigued to see. The brush actually looks similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. I didn't even pull that one out, but I'm excited to see how this is going to work as well. That one is not waterproof to my knowledge, but yeah, that's the Marc Jacobs Noir. And last but not least, this one is actually not from Sephora. I just purchased this along with one other item from Riley Rose. And when I kept checking the Riley Rose, they were sold out, sold out, sold out. That's all the girl kept telling me. And then just the other day, I was just like, no, let me go in here and see if they have it. So I finally saw it and I grabbed it. I was like, let me try it. I wanted to grab like more than one, but I want to do like a first impression with trying some new products that I'm sharing in this haul along with it. It's the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge, and it looks like this. You guys, I'm so excited to see what this hype is on this. I mean, so many people say they love this so much. Oh, it feels nice. Oh, this is so nice. It feels really velvety. It has a slant right here, a point, of course the round part, and then a flat ending. So I'm super excited to try this, and this was only $6, you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out in a video and let you guys know how I feel about it. You guys will see my first impressions on it and all that jazz, and if I like it, I'll go back and get another two. But that is the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge. Again, I got this from Riley Rose, and I'm super excited to try that as well. So that is mainly all of the items that I got from Sephora. And let me know down below if you tried any of these products, if you want me to do the full face of Sephora haul products type of video. And yeah, So testing some new products. New products are coming out. So let me know down below what you guys think. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.